Hello everyone, in this lecture the topic, chorus, and its functions are defined and explained in detail with various examples, but if you are new to my channel then please like the video and subscribe the channel. Let's define it first. Chorus is a group of performers who sing, dance and at times take part in the action of a play. What does it mean? Simply, it means that chorus is nothing but it refers to a group of actors in a play. Basically, in ancient Greek tragedies, the chorus was a group of actors who played a crucial role in the drama beyond simply singing or chanting. According to Aristotle, it is one of the constituent elements of tragedy. As you have understood that chorus is nothing but a group of actors, but there must be a question regarding the function of chorus. You should remember that the functions of chorus in classical tragedies are many. Let me tell you some of them. The first function of chorus is narrator and commentator. This is one of the main functions of the chorus, is that they serve as a bridge between the action on stage and the audience. Actually, they narrate past events or future prophecies, providing context and background information that the characters themselves might not reveal. The next point is offering commentary. This is another characteristic of the chorus. By this point it means that the chorus comments on the action and the characters' choices, often reflecting the moral and social values of the time. They also express disapproval, fear, or even foreshadow upcoming events. In other words, you can say that the chorus of the play comments and hints about the upcoming action and events. Heightening tension. This is another important point, that through their synchronized movements, song, and dance, the chorus increase the emotional intensity of the play. Actually, they express fear, grief, or joy. So, by this way they play great role to increase the intensity of the play. You need to remember that chorus is an integral part of all classical tragedies. Sophocles has used it in Oedipus Rex. Modern writers have also used it. Marlowe has used it in Dr. Faustus, Milton has used it in Samson Agonists. Some modern dramatists replaced the chorus by a character. For example, the fool in King Lear does what the chorus had done in classical tragedies. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture. Please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.